बऱ्या प्रशासनांतल्यान लोकांक बरी सेवा दिवपाक बरें सरकार आसपाक जाय आनी सरकार खंय चुकता तें दाखोवन दिवपाक सक्षम तांकीचो विरोधी पक्ष लेगीत आसपाक जाय अशें मत आमदार कार्लोस फरेरा हांणी व्यक्त केलां. ह्या खातीर सध्या विरोधकांनी ह्या पावसाळी अधिवेशनांत एकठांय येवप भोव गरजेचें अशें तांणी म्हणलां. सध्या भाजपाचे केंद्र सरकाराचे सगळे एजेंडा सोंपल्यात. त्या खातीर आतां ती लोकांची मनरिजवण करपाक विरोधी पक्षाच्या फुडाऱ्यांक नोटिश्यो काडप तशेंच हेर प्रकरणांनी घुस्पावपाक सोदतात अशेंय कार्लोस म्हणटा.
I think there should be a government with a healthy opposition, and so I think that we should work together because finally we are working for the interest of the development of the state.
Do you think the government is trying to divert the issue by letting?
See, right from Delhi to the central government, you will see the issues which are losing steam now. Now there is no more purpose of having any more agendas of theirs are over. So now you have to divert to have some what you call that some kind of entertainment. I would use this word. So you will see the central government issuing notice to this one, that one through its agencies, and that is why yesterday we had a protest against the central government's ED move to call our leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, because just calling them, trying to browbeat them, to make them submissive, because this is one of the strategies of trying to pull the rug under the carpet of the opposition.